try your bed out, Mum.
Mum's happy to be home.
What is up, TNS family? Okay, tonight we are just painting my parents' room. It looks so weird. So we're just redoing my parents' room. We're going to be repainting the whole house. We just thought that this would be a cool little surprise for my parents. They've been dying to paint the house. Like, the kids have like, well, you know what? We can't really blame the kids. We've been in this house for 10 plus years, and all of my siblings, was probably just all of us. Hand stains and grease stains, and yeah, so we're just painting the house. And I thought that I'll bring these guys along. My parents is currently at my house. They're gonna be sleeping there for 2 nights. They don't know anything. My mum was really annoyed that she had to jump out of bed today and go to my house. So it was pretty funny to see her reaction when I was like, Mum, just come over. So this is what we're doing. We're gonna be it's not even a renovation, it's just painting the whole house. Like, we've got this yellow tinge on the walls. Like, I don't know if you can tell, it's a bit of a yellow tinge, and it just needs to go. It needs to go. We just need it to be a white, clean house. Refresh, give it some brightness in this house. And yeah, we also, Tuxx and I have bought my parents a new bed. This was their old bed. So, oh, bless my dad's heart. Like, he didn't know, but he actually went and bought this, and he thought it was the best purchase ever. And he bought 2 of these, like, how many years ago, Julie? Maybe like 2 years ago. 3?
3 or 4.
3, 4 years ago. And bless his heart, he thought it was like the best purchase, and we were all gonna be so excited for him, because he bought one for him and my mom and Julie and Lanston, because Lanston was in Julie's tummy. So yeah, he bought that for them, and he was like, oh my gosh, I bought these new beds. And we were like, no, Dad, no. So that's my mom's old bed. Mind you, my mom is she just needs a high bed, and like, she needs to be a queen in her room, you know? Do you know what I mean, guys?
She a queen or whatever.
She queen or whatever. Are we doing the ceilings?
Yeah. I don't know if it needs to.
Are you kidding me? It's already been painted. A massive shout out to my sister's father-in-law, who has given us all of these paint. Oh well, shout out to him because he gave us this paint. 15 liters. He's actually a painter. Please hit him up if you need a job to be done. If he didn't live in Southside, we would have made him come to do this, but we've got his son to do the job. And Julie, she's so good. Okay, so we're about to do the kitchen. I've taken down the picture frames already, but we had like a mirror on this wall right here. My dad loves his picture frames with his my brother's rugby photos that he stuck all up there. So the girl said that we have to do sandpaper and then plaster the holes. I don't know how we're gonna fix this. Yeah, but it was something like this, and it was with all the other rugby photos with the other trophies. So yeah. Oh my goodness, guys, look at Chris. And this is Jason. Wait, where's Jason? Oh, this is just Chris's rugby team. That's Chris. I don't know how to do this. Oh, there we go. So there we are. Tuck those down. Get the files off. So yeah, we're just gonna do that. Chris, come with the sandpaper. Julie's doing the what do you call that?
Oh, what is it called? What is this called? Putting tape on the cracks.
Taping the cupboards so when we go painting. Yeah, I think you already know the gif. Okay, we're gonna start sandpapering. Let's go, Chris.
You said no.
Okay fam, so sorry we didn't come back for an update, but we have finished doing the kitchen walls. I don't know if you can tell because on my on my camera here, it's like, I don't know, it just looks normal white. But reminding you that this was the color of our house, and that is the first coat. We have the sisters doing the ceiling right now, so we have to do, so we've done all the walls from my mum's bedroom to the hallway to the kitchen to the front. We still have to do the front, and we're still deciding if we're going to do a feature wall on, like change the color of our feature wall, which is currently red. I think the hardest bit for us has been the ceiling, right sisters? They're quiet because currently it is 4:18. Do you guys see that? In the morning. So we're trying to smash this out, and then we can go probably get like 4 hours sleep, maybe, hopefully. And then we will be back here in the morning doing our second coat of paint. And then we still got to do the skirt, which is the gloss. And then we have to clean up the whole house because we've like turned it upside down. But yeah fam, we're doing good. It's going. Wish us luck. It is day 2 and we are up to the second coat of painting. The house is wow. But the bro there, listen, he's had a shower, he's just put on his paint clothes. So don't at him, but we're up to the second coat. It's a really hard painting, to be honest. But this is all of our mess. We like finished around 5 AM. It's all the rubbish from like doing all the dusting, wiping down of the wall, sandpapering. Now we're just moving all of this to the middle so we can get painting in here. So yeah, we gotta get this process done. Everything is a mess and we're trying to finish by Saturday. I feel like it's impossible. Okay, don't mind my statics, guys. Like, seriously, maybe go that way. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Oh my goodness, can't win. Anyway, so right now we are we are taping the floor. Chris has to do, this is what I was talking about, she has to do the wipe down with all the dust on top of the what do you call those? On top of something. We've got the furniture all in the middle. We got Julie texting. Okay fam, I am back. I am so sorry we didn't film anything. We actually just wanted to like get straight into painting because it always takes so many hours. Even though the house is so small, but it just feels like it's taking so long. Where's Chris? So I'm finally having my lunch break. And now we're headed to Bunnings because we ran out of paint. So we're gonna go see if we can get the same paint so we can finish, because we haven't done the living room and we haven't done the sitting room and the ceiling of the kitchen and a little bit of the hallway. Oh my goodness, I got all specks of paint on my face. Oh, actually just one. Oh yeah, and on my chin. Julie has it all on her hair. Show. And Chris, are you wearing your mask? No. I'm already on. I know, that's drawing attention. So yeah, we're just gonna get the reason why we're kind of like hesitant is because my mom lives in one of the 10 postcodes that aren't allowed to leave. They're on lockdown. So we're based in Melbourne, so mom lives in one of the 10 suburbs that are on lockdown, and we're leaving the house to quickly go do a Bunnings run.
Okay family, so today is Saturday, and as you guys all know, the girls have been busy trying to paint up this house and make it nice for mum and dad. Bit of a little surprise for them. So I'm just gonna kind of show you what they got for now, and I want to show you what they've got for now. They've quickly ducked off to the shop to get some last minute things. Yeah, so this is the living room. They've painted the walls, it's all white. Hi Jane, Sera's cousin Jane. Looks let me back it up. Looks real fresh. Like, I was surprised the first time I seen it. I came in last night, and yeah, it was a big surprise, big difference. Oh, also this door was off, so they done a bit of a handyman job. Put it back on, put the hinges back on. They also took this door off Actually makes a lot of sense because they're always in and out. They're done here, all over here, all the, I really don't know what they're called, side skirts or something. So they've done all of them, and they also done Mum and Dad's room. Oh, I moved it. So they got them a new bed, new sheets. They're going to get, I think, more blankets. They got new pillows, little desk here, this little fancy thing hanging in the air. Just can't wait to see Mum and Dad's reaction. Also the toilet, they done the toilet. Boom. Nice and white. So yeah, fam, when the girls come back, I'll turn the camera back on and we can have a look at the last minute things that they got. Come on, fam, let's go.
Okay fam, so we just got to my house and we're picking up my mum and dad. My mum's already in the car, we're waiting for my dad to come down. But I brought my mum's bed over and I literally built it to put in my living room. I didn't want my mum to like travel up and down all the time, coming back and forth from upstairs to downstairs. So she only went up when she needed to shower, and then she was basically downstairs because we do have a toilet on the side as well as the kitchen right there. So my mum's just happy that she gets to go home. I can't wait to see her reaction. I can't wait to see my dad's reaction. Bye, Dad. So yeah fam, we're off now. We will see you when we get back to my parents' house. Do you know what's happening, Mum? You're so red. Okay, come. Oh, my mum's foot is sore.
Ngofo kuwai apa oi.
It's pretty. Is it pretty? So pretty. Come to your room.
Ui, cả ulo lesi rồi.
So nice. It's beautiful, Dad. No, look. You go in first. Mom, close your eyes. Dad, close your eyes. Close your eyes, Mom. Move to me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Go try your bed out, Mom.
Mum's happy to be home.
Thank you so much.
Oh, c'est pas rangi.
What's that on your Dad? Where's Langston?
Try your bed, Mum.
Try your bed, Mom.
Try your bed. Yeah, Mom, with that.
Dad, this is your side. It's a king. Oh my god.
It's big.
It's massive. Do you like your room, Mom? Thank you so much. Oh, you're okay. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you. See, Why you have to have some patience? Lesson amazing. Yeah. Does it still smell, Mom? Yeah. Because Julie turned on her thingy, that thingy majiggy.
Oh, that little.
Yeah. Humidifier.
How about we light those candles?
Yeah, light the candles, honey.
What day?
Ia whakai runga singa sluk kata kuane e laku e whaabua koe ko i le kaukananga whaatari ki o ko whaanga ia whakai a whai a ki o ko whaanga o ia kai kongwa o ko le whai a unga se sikulang au ko whai a unga ko wane le whai o ko mako wa ia o ko o le mau ko ke whea ngai mako makua ke leo ngai ska mai i o makua o ki wale ni makua ai kai kele lawa ia ki oe fui maungo e me se fo i Sera ia whea fo i pote na Julie ia e me se fo i papa ma Chris kai kele lawa mo me o mo ko sa ia kai lo ko ngā lue whika ia wa mawa ai ma ngai a kongo kako I'm so happy. And the mostly thing I'm happy for was mama yalo moena. Kaila, mama, Sera, Kaila, my mom was so pretty. Lovely. And how I really atua, family really atua yaki orua, family for ile atua ya potena Julie makamaki. Ia whamangia fo ile atua ia papa ma Chris. Ia e mese fo ia si o kōkua ngangi, e mese fo ia si o kōkua whitinge po si o fo ro ngongo fo mau mai ia anga leile atua maua o kōle whea lo whangi o le mei nawa leo le makalangoa ia o kō whea whangi. Le se mea le lei e se au ngā kele e mea mo ai le mo le whea whangi. Ke fia fo e pea i kako yama wai me se makana. Awa kani kauka ia kauka alu whakaki. We find together, we happy together, we cry together. Ia ole whakaisili a ngā kia ki o kō whanau. Ia ngā leile atua ia deia ma Lanston. Lo la ua ola kukupua e ia whaongā ola ua ola mo lea li. Ni whi au whaongā i ngā iola ua ola ngā mo lea li. Yeah, and thank you, Jane, for kakasi mai mo ngai po nga leile atua ki o ko umana na whanau i o Yesu. Amen. She said, you're welcome. Oh, you're welcome.
That's what you be able to do.